The future of warfare is here. From AI-powered weapons to stealthy battlefield drones, these innovations are changing everything. Buckle up. This is next-gen military tech. Pulsar is an advanced AI-driven electromagnetic warfare system designed to detect and neutralize threats within minutes. Using cutting-edge algorithms, it analyzes enemy signals, disrupts communications, and neutralizes incoming threats before they strike. With rapid response capabilities, Pulsar is redefining modern electronic warfare. Iron Vision is a next-generation situational awareness system that allows tank operators to see the battlefield without leaving the vehicle. Using a smart helmet display, it provides a real-time 360-degree view, eliminating blind spots and improving combat efficiency. Inspired by the F-35 fighter jet's helmet technology, it enhances safety and tactical advantage on the battlefield. Scorpion is a fully digital automated mortar system with unmatched speed and precision. It features a shoot and scoot capability, enabling rapid deployment, firepower, and repositioning in record time. This advanced system can deliver multiple rounds in under 2 minutes, making it the fastest mobile mortar system in the world. RAILINK is an integrated power system that runs multiple head-mounted accessories from a single centralized source. It simplifies operations for soldiers by reducing the need for multiple batteries, ensuring uninterrupted functionality for night vision, communication, and other battlefield equipment. Developed in China, the Yak robot is a 4-legged autonomous system designed to transport up to 160 kilograms of cargo across rough terrains, including mountains and deserts. Capable of speeds up to 10 kilometers per hour, it enhances mobility for troops by reducing their load, allowing for greater endurance in the field. The Agilite BuddyStrap is a lightweight emergency carry system that allows a single person to transport an injured teammate effortlessly. Designed for battlefield and emergency scenarios, this hands-free system improves response times and survivability by enabling rapid evacuation without compromising mobility. The Legion platform is a shield-mounted launcher designed for riot control and non-lethal engagements. It fires 18.5 by 45 mm knockdown rounds, flashbangs, and irritants, providing security forces with a highly effective crowd control solution. The Black Hornet 3 is an ultra-lightweight nano-drone weighing just 33 grams. It provides real-time surveillance and reconnaissance for soldiers in the field. Silent and nearly undetectable, it delivers critical intelligence while keeping operators out of harm's way. BANS is an advanced air defense support weapon designed to counter enemy missile and aircraft threats. Using a patented system, it deceives missile warning and detection systems, disrupting enemy operations and forcing evasive maneuvers. The Teledyne FLIR Rogue 1 is a vertical takeoff and landing drone built for rapid deployment in modern warfare. With speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour, a 10-kilometer range, and a 30-minute endurance, it delivers real-time intelligence with minimal collateral damage. Its versatility makes it a crucial asset for reconnaissance and precision strike missions. These cutting-edge military technologies are transforming the battlefield. From AI-driven defense systems to robotic carriers, the future of warfare is here. Which innovation impresses you the most? Let us know in the comments.